Yes, welcome to Empire Crypto TV. You are here with Stone. We are doing market analysis and market update for all over the world, and so much is happening on the markets all over. And on this evening, if you are in Africa, good evening. If you are everywhere else in the world, good morning, good day, and so forth. And of course, please invite your friends for our shows, and please share the live video or the live shows, and please be sure to subscribe and win with Empire Crypto TV, and how everyone is doing. And we are just doing some market updates, looking at the Bitcoin right now. The Bitcoin is looking very, very healthy in this afternoon, in on Wednesday afternoon, this Wednesday afternoon, and Bitcoin is trading at 43,000 per coin right now. And let's just also look at the coinmarketcap.com as well. How things are doing. The coin market cap almost at its $2 trillion per coin on the market cap for 24 hours market cap. Sorry for that. 1.9 is the one right there. So there is a reason why these cryptocurrencies are performing so well, because things are looking good for cryptocurrencies since there's been all of this Ukraine attack or Russia attack on Ukraine. And but on the other side of the world, things are not as good looking. News coming out on Wall Street regarding the market as a whole, saying this is some of the news. Wall Street retreats as the Ukraine crisis hammers financial stocks. Stocks, on the other hand, are getting a knock, especially with the euro. Of course, Wall Street's main indexes slipped on Tuesday, with financial stocks bearing the brunt for a second straight day as the Russia-Ukraine crisis deepened. So things are getting worse on those sides, while a surge in oil prices boosted shares of energy companies. Energy companies are getting the rip-off at this point in time, and shares companies, those who have shares in oil companies, they are getting their money's worth, because the oil prices are surging up since Russia is the third largest oil provider in the world and number one in Europe. 11 S&P 5 S&P sectors declined in early trading, with financials dropping 22.7% as U.S. 10-year Treasury yields slumped to 5-week lows and amid flight safe haven. And another chart that I wanted to show you, euro versus the US dollar, how severe this issue is. Looking at the US dollar and the euro being the base currency, this chart represents the euro. The euro right now, as you can see, things are not looking good because of the situation that is happening, and it's affecting the entire market scale within Europe itself. And Europe are losing against the US dollar at this point in time. Looking at my relative strength index, it's also at oversold at the point of, I think it's about just below 30 and below. That's oversold. That's 25.75, and that is not a good sign. And once the instrument is oversold, it is cheap enough, surely people will step in and buy and start buying the euro. But it doesn't look likely at this point in time, because I just saw also a jump, in a bearish jump, which is also a sign that there is a strong sell-off that is happening. But also looking at new projects within the cryptocurrency space that are looking to be promising. PYR versus the US dollar. This is a new token, a new gaming token that I've shared just a few hours ago. I was trying to share it, but I could not share it in the most clarified way. But now I had an opportunity to open this chart on Binance that would give me the opportunity to also just go. This is the PYR. The Vulcan Forge is a gaming crypto project that functions as a blockchain game incubator. So Vulcan Forge is a very good project. I've looked into it. So these are some of the latest projects that people can look up to. These are very, very good projects if you are looking for alternative investments. But let us continue looking at the global markets, looking at the gold right now. Let us see, is it going back to its high levels that we expected? Wow. gold has reached its 2,690. Wow, gold has really risen. No, no, this is Google Alphabet Inc. Sorry about that. This is not gold. I wanted to look at gold, which is gold is still at 1.9. I was surprised to see that because the last time I saw these numbers, but it is pushing towards the $2,000 per ounce. And Google, as well as I'm looking at it right now, after I've looked at it, it also took a slump, but they are triumphantly trying to get back to that level of volatility. But there is lack of volatility, and lack of volatility is not good for any financial instruments that people are invested on. Gold, I think it's going to look to go to at least up to $2,000 per ounce, but that remains to be seen. But for over and all, the Bitcoin itself is the one that is pushing. The reason why is people now are trusting in the cryptocurrency for transactions to be done during this turbulent time that is happening in Europe. And this cryptocurrency space is in a bright spot of sparkling because new projects as well are coming up. And when they are coming up, they are having this opportunity to have that bullish and that positive, and investments will suddenly be thrust in these new project. It's been good. It has been a brief update. This is Empire Crypto TV doing the market update for you on this Tuesday afternoon, and have a good night. Thank you very much for joining me this tonight. Thank you.